I'm very technically, inclined, and should I continue the individual contributor route, or should I go the manager route,
Yeah,
right?
that's a
And what
great.
are the pros
Yeah.
and cons for either of them?
Yeah, that's a great question, and I have my personal opinion, right? I mean, people will have different opinions on this, and this is my, personal opinion. I actually truly, truly believe that individual contributor roles are as important and as effective as any managerial roles. If given a choice, if I were to actually turn the clock back all the way to when I made a decision of actually becoming a manager, I would probably think twice. I would probably really think about, you know, hey, it is very natural because I grew up as an engineer and that was the best thing I could do. I could write, close my eyes and write 800 lines of code any given day. Well, in the near future, you don't have to code anymore. That's a different thing altogether. But being able to really understand technology, right, and being able to feel comfortable, in that zone is a lot different than being able to end up in having to deal with all the world's problems, right? It's completely two different thought processes, and there are ladders that will take you up to very senior levels, irrespective of whether you are an individual contributor or manager. I would never actually tell or advise someone that actually go to a management ladder, go to a particular ladder just because you want to grow, just because you want to make some money, just because you want to get promoted. No, I would never advise someone of that. I would always say follow your passion, especially in terms of that. There are careers to be made across all of these paths, and as long as you enjoy doing what you're doing and you're successful and you have your North Star that is actually guiding you in that path, I think it is wonderful. I mean, I have some friends who are individual contributors at senior most levels, like CTOs, for example, what have you, who are so well regarded in the industry and so very successful, for that matter. So I think it makes a huge difference.
Great.